If your refrigerator is running but not cooling, the problem could be as simple as incorrect settings or restricted airflow. First, check the temperature settings. For most refrigerators, the fresh food section should be set between 37 and 40 degrees Fahrenheit, while the freezer should be set around 0 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, inspect the air vents. Overloaded shelves can block airflow, preventing cold air from circulating properly throughout the refrigerator. Dirty condenser coils are one of the most common causes of cooling issues. Dust and debris force the refrigerator to work harder and reduce cooling efficiency. Clean the coils carefully with a soft brush or vacuum. Inspect the door seals for damage or gaps. Warm air entering through a faulty gasket can significantly reduce cooling performance. Excessive frost buildup may indicate a defrost system problem. If thick ice is present behind the rear freezer panel, the refrigerator may require manual defrosting or further diagnosis. Check that both the evaporator fan and condenser fan are running properly. Faulty fans can prevent cold air circulation and cause cooling failures. Sometimes a simple reset can solve electronic control issues. Unplug the refrigerator for 5 minutes and then reconnect power. If your Frigidaire refrigerator still isn't cooling, the issue could involve the compressor or thermostat. Professional service may be required. Don't forget to like and subscribe.